Hi everyone, welcome to MyMax Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter Determinants, which is your fourth chapter from your 12th standard CBSE Mathematics. We will continue with exercise 4.1 in page number 108 in your textbook. First problem, we have to find the value of this determinant. We have to find the value of this determinant, and this determinant is a 2 cross 2 determinant. And for 2 cross 2 determinant, how do we find the value of the determinant, which is this into this? 2 into minus 1, which is minus 2, minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. So this into this. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. So we'll get minus 2 plus 20. So your answer is 18. So that is the value of this determinant. 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. The value of this is equal to 18. Fine. We'll do the second problem. First subdivision. We have to find the value of the determinant cos theta, sin theta. Fine. Then minus sin theta, then sin theta, cos theta. We have to find the value of this determinant. So value of this will be equal to what? So this is equal to, we have to do this into this. It's a 2 cross 2. So first this into this, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, minus sin theta into minus sin theta is minus sin square theta. So this into this. This into this, cos square theta, minus sin theta into minus sin theta is minus sin square theta. So you'll get cos square theta, minus into minus is plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. So what is the value of this determinant? Value of this determinant is 1. Fine. So I'll do the second problem, second subdivision. It is determinant of x square minus x plus 1, and this is x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Right? Now we need to evaluate this determinant. So again, how do we evaluate this? This is equal to, again, this into this. So which is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus this into this. X plus 1 into x minus 1. Fine. So if you want, we can take x plus 1 common, or we can use identity. What is this identity? This is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this will become a cube plus b cube. X cube plus 1 cube. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square minus this is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. You have to put that in the bracket because this minus is for both. So the continuation of this is, probably I'll write it here. Continuation of this is x cube equal to x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 1. Because this is minus x square, this is minus into minus plus 1. So you finally get x cube minus x square plus 2. So that is the value of this determinant. Value of this determinant is x cube minus x square plus 2. Now let's go to the third problem. The third question. Third question is, if a equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. So given is a equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. That is A matrix. We have to show that. Show that 2 times determinant of 2a equal to 4 into determinant of a. We have to prove this. Determinant of 2a matrix is equal to 4 times determinant of a. We have to show this. So proof or solution, right? Now let's try to find what is the determinant of a first. So what is a? A is 1, 2, 4, 2. That is your matrix A. That is your matrix A. Now we should find the determinant of A. So determinant of A means I have to find the determinant of this 1, 2, 4, 2. Now this is not the matrix. This is a matrix. This is not a matrix. So determinant of A. So that is equal to, how do we evaluate 1 into 2? This into this, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 4 into 2, this into this is 8. So you get it as minus 6. That is your determinant of A. Fine. Now let's try to find what is 2A matrix. So 2A matrix is what? You have to multiply each element by 2. So this is your A. So 2A will be 2, 4, 8, 4. Each element is multiplied by 2. Now we have to find determinant of 2A. Determinant of A is determinant of this 2, 4, 8, 4. Now what do we get if you do the determinant, which is this into this? 2 4s are 8, minus 8 into 4 is 32. Now 8 minus 32 is minus 24. So that is your determinant of 2A. Right, now let's try to find what is the value of 4 times determinant of A. So this is our LHS. The left hand side is your LHS. Your LHS. Left hand side is determinant of 2A is this. Now what is our RHS? 4 times determinant of A. 4 times determinant of A equal to 4 into determinant of A. Determinant of A is minus 6. 4 into minus 6, which is minus 24. So your determinant of 2A is also minus 24. Your 4 times determinant of A is also minus 24. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Also, we have a general rule or formula which can also be derived. So what it says is, generally if you have K into A, determinant of A is very important, which we often use to evaluate some of the determinants. So K into A, where K is a number. So determinant of Ka matrix is same as K power n into determinant of A, where n is order of A. Order of the matrix A. If the order of the matrix is 2, then determinant of Ka will become K power 2 K square A, determinant of A. If the A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, which means order is 3, means then determinant of Ka will become K cube, because n is 3, order is 3. K cube determinant of A. So this is something which we will keep using whenever we want to find a determinant of such matrix, where K is a number. Here small k is a number, A is a matrix. So here also it is satisfied that. So 2 is like K. So determinant of 2A means that is equal to 2 power 2. K is 2 and order of A is also 2, because order of A is 2 cross 2. So K is 2. Your n is also 2. So this is your K, this is your n. N cross n. It's an n cross n matrix. It's a square matrix, right? So K is 2. N is 2. If you substitute K2, N2, you'll get 2 square, which is 4. So which means this is 4A. So this is always true. Fine. Now let's go to the next one, which is a similar way. Fourth problem in exercise 4.1. So fourth problem is determinant of A is given. So a matrix A is given. Same like the previous problem, but it's a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Now we have to show that ST means show that determinant of 3A is equal to 27 times determinant of A. We have to show this. Right? So solution or proof, whatever. So now what is the value of determinant of A? Let's first find what is determinant of A. So your A matrix is this. So determinant of A will be equal to determinant of 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. We want to evaluate the determinant of this. Now again, to evaluate the determinant of this, we can expand this using any row or any column, but generally we go for a row or a column which has maximum number of zeros. So here if you see, the maximum number of zeros are in this one, column 1, 2 zeros are there, or we can take row 3, 2 zeros are there. So we will expand along C1. So expanding along C1, which means column 1, what do we get? So determinant of A equal to, this is the first element, which is A11. So we have to put minus 1 power 1 plus 1, then 1 into, right, this element 1 into, then you have to close this particular row and this particular column. You will get 1, 2, 0, 4, right? So we will write determinant of 1, 2, 0, 4, right? So this will go, this will be, if we take this element, this row and this column is gone. So 1, 2, 0, 4. Then I'm going to take this element, which is in the position of A21. This is A11, A12, A13. This is A21. Second row, first column. So this will become plus minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into 0. Then determinant of, we have to close this particular row and this particular column. So if I close this particular row and this particular column, I get 0, 1, 0, 4. 0, 1, 0, 4. Plus, again the third one, last one is, this position is A31. So plus minus 1 power 3 plus 1. A31 means 3 plus 1. Then we have to close this particular row and this particular column. You will get 0, 1, 1, 2. 0, 1, 1, 2. Clear? Now if you do this, minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is 2, which is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Into 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 0 into 2 is 0. Fine. Now this is anyway plus, this is 0 into anything will become 0. This is also, I have to put this 0 here. Sorry. I have to put this 0 here. So 0 into anything is 0. So your answer is 4. What is your determinant of A? Is 4. Now let's try to find what is 3A matrix. Or we can even evaluate what is 27 times determinant of A. Right? So what is 27 times determinant of A? 27 times determinant of A will be equal to 27 times 4, which is 108. 108, right? Right? 28 to 10, yeah. 108. This is what we got for RHS. Now LHS, let's find 3A. Let's find 3A matrix. What is 3A matrix? 3A matrix is I have to multiply every element of here is by 3. So 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. So I am multiplying each element by 3. I multiplied each element by 3. 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 3, 4 are 12. Now we should find the determinant of this. What is determinant of 3A? Right? If you have to find this, that is so determinant of 3A is equal to determinant of this matrix 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12 determinant. Fine. Now let's evaluate. Again we can expand through the same column C1, or we can even expand through your R3 also. Anything is okay. So we'll expand through C1. Expanding along C1, which means column 1. What do we get? We get 3 into, so this one, so that is so determinant of 3A will be equal to first element A11, so minus 1 power 1 plus 1, we'll get plus, right? So minus 1 power 1 plus 1, then 3 into, so this row will go, this column will go, right? So this row is gone, this column is gone, 3, 6, 0, 12. We'll get determinant of 3, 6, 0, 12. Then this one, this will be plus minus 1 power 2 plus 1, where the position is A21. Again 0 into determinant of, this will go, this will go. This particular column will go, this particular row will go. This row is gone, this column is gone. We'll get 0, 3, 0, 12. 0, 3, 0, 12. Fine. Then plus minus 1 power this one, that is 3 plus 1, 0 into determinant of Again, this will go, this will go. So this particular column will go, this particular row will go. So you have 0, 3, 3, 6. 0, 3, 3, 6. And again, this is 0, this is 0. Only this will come. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is plus 3 into 3 2s are 12. Minus 0 into 6 is 0. Right? We'll close this. Sorry. We have this 3, which is 3 into equal to 3 into 3 2s are, so 3 12s are 36. Minus 0 into 6 is 0. Then this will become plus, this is 0 anyway. This will also become 0. Because this is 0. So 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So you'll get 3 into 36. 3 into 36, which is 108. So your determinant of 3a is also 108, and your determinant of 27 determinant of a is also 108. 3 times determinant of 3 is also 108. Therefore, determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant of a. So we have proved this. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. Then in the fifth problem, we have to find the determinant of the 3 cross 3 matrices. I will do a few problems, and few you can do it yourself. So probably in the fifth one, first part you can try as homework, do it yourself for homework. I will do the fifth one, second part. Right? So matrix A is given, or the determinant is given 3, 3 minus 4, 5, then 1, 1 minus 2, then 3, 2, 3, 1. You will find the determinant of this. So here we will try to see whether any particular row or column has maximum number of zeros. Nothing is having any zero. Even if something has 1 0, we can take along that row or that column, but none of them is having. So we will expand through our row 1 only. So expanding along row 1, R1, which means so this is equal to, value of this is equal to, we'll take 3 into, because it will become minus 1 power 1 plus 1, so it is positive. 3 into, so this will go, this will go, this will go, this will go. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus, right? This is gone, this is gone. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus, because this is a 1 2, it will become negative. Then again there is a minus 4 into, we have to close this and this. So we'll get 1 into 1 is 1, minus, we close this, 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then last one, which is 5. This is the position A13. A13 means 1 plus 3 is even. So minus 1 power even will be plus 5 into, we'll close this and this. We'll get 1 into 3 is 3, minus, to close this row and this column. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So it will become 3 into 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 into 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 into 1. So you finally get 21 plus 20 plus 5. Your answer is 46. So that is the value of the determinant that is given. So value of this determinant is 46. You can even call this as delta if you want. We are just putting some name, delta equal to. So you can say delta equal to this 46. This is answer. Fine. So you can even do fifth, third and fourth as homework. Fifth problem, third subdivision and fourth subdivision. So I will write here. So in the fifth, third, you can do it yourself or you call it as homework, whatever. Then fifth, fourth also do it yourself. You can try. Similarly, you have to expand along any one of the rows or columns and then find the value of the determinant. Even the sixth one is the same type, where you have to find the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it can also be done as do it yourself or homework. Right? So I will do the seventh one. So all are the same. You have to find the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix like this. You have to expand like this. and we have done many problems. Same method you have to follow, and you can find the determinant of the given matrix A here. You should be able to find. So now find the value of x. Seventh problem, first subdivision. So find the value of x. So what is given is 2, 4, 5, 1 equal to determinant of 2x, 4, 6x. We have to find the value of x from these two. So these two, this is a determinant. This is, don't think them as matrices. Don't try to compare 2 equal to 2x and x is equal to 1. That's not the way we can do. Both are determinants. You have to first expand them. Find the value of the determinant. How will you find this determinant? 2 into 1 is 2 minus 5 into 4 is 20 equal to, here 2 into x is 2x square minus 6 into 4 is 24, right? Then you get 2x square minus 24 equal to minus 18. So you have 2x square equal to minus 18 plus 24, which is 6. That is your 2x square. So your x square is 3. Your x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. Your x is plus or minus square root of 3. That is the value of your x. So generally I have seen student writing x square equal to 3 means they just write x is equal to plus root 3. No, it is plus or minus. You have to consider plus as well as minus. Fine. So that is how we do this. Then second problem we'll do. So second one, same type. What is given? Given is 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to x, 3, 2x, 5. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So this is x. Now how do you do this? 2 into 5 is 10. Minus 4 into 3 is 12. Equal to x into 5 is 5x. Minus 2 into 3x is 6x. So you get x is equal to minus 2. Minus x is equal to minus 2. So you get x is equal to 2. The value of x is 2. Fine. Then 8th problem. I will try to do it here. 8th problem. The determinant of same type. You have to find the value of x. It's a MCQ where you have to find the value of x. So x to 18x equal to determinant of 6 to 18, 6. Now let's try to do. So what is this? How do we? So x into x is x square minus 18 2s are 36 equal to 6 into 6 is 36 minus 18 into 2 is also 36. So you'll get x square minus 36 equal to 0, which means x square is equal to 36. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. So your x is plus or minus 6. The answer is x is either plus 6 or minus 6. Fine. So we have found the value of x. So this completes exercise 1. I will stop the video here. You can pause the video and take the notes. And I will continue the next section, which is properties of determinants, in my next video. Please watch my next video for the continuation of this chapter. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.